Nexweave, it's a little bit like Wave, another website for videos. This is an Nexweave. It's a deal on Appsumo, and I thought by myself I make a video for it. And what Nexweave is, when you see, for example, here, that you can make videos or use image uh, and animated GIFs and something like that, and personalize it so that people can see their own name or their email or whatever. You can use every kind of tokens and different kind of platforms, and you also can make buttons or an fields where they can embed their email address and then get a response on their um, email box, in their email box. I don't know how it exactly works because I have played with it for a few minutes. But what I want to show you, of course, is the Quriobot version of this tool and what you can do with it. So let's see what I've created in this few minutes. And we're going to preview the bots, and we're going to start the bots, and then the first question is, what is your first name? And this is my first name, and then you can see, hi, Danny. And when you preview the bot once again and you say, well, this time my name is Wendy, uh, then you can see that say, hi, Wendy. So it's used just something like tokens. And how can you do that? Well, if you read the documentation, then they say that you have to make steps, and after that steps, you have to use the step types. So when you go into Quriobot, then you see here the steps, and then what they say that you have to make variables and make all those step types and connect them within the bots with the step types, but it's not necessary, and I'm going to show you the easy way. So when we save that, it says it's wrong and we have to delete this one. Yes, we want to delete it. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have the code name of the steps. That's important. So what we are going to use in this case is the first name. So it stands here on top of the bots, the step code name. English step code name, as you can see here, and we're going to use that. So the first thing that you have to do is make a template, and when you have made that template, then this is what its stats in default, or if it's not used the token, so we can say hi friends, I don't know, and then what we have to do is edit the template. And when we are adding the templates, then we go to the variables, and then you have to embed here the variable first name, and that was, of course, from the step code name. So that's the only thing that you have to do. Is super easy, and the fallback was friends. And then you have to save the templates. And what you have to do then is you don't have to do anything here in here yet, but you have to go to the campaigns. So you have to create a campaign. If you didn't have had that already, then you go to make a campaign and give it a name. The name is not so important. And then choose for the image, because we have used the image. Now, it doesn't work with the video templates. I don't know why, but maybe I will dig it out how this all works and make another tutorial about that. But on this time, it's just only the image. Save. Please, okay, you have to select a template. So that was the template that we have made. And we're going to select that particular template and then save it. And then we go to the activation and we go to the URL and then save it and then launch the campaign and get the embed codes. And we have to choose for the integration Quriobot. And then we have to choose the variable first name, and if it doesn't stand in here, then we have to grab it from Quriobot itself. So we copy this and we make a token. I think it's a token. I don't quite 100% sure. And you have to edit. I need to generate the code, and you can choose the URL, so you can make a URL from it or copy the codes. So when you copy the codes and then you go to Quriobot once again and embeds the HTML codes, so you can choose here and then you have to choose for this one, and then you have to embed it in here. So let's delete this one and let's embed the new codes and then save it. And then basically you're done. You're finished. Now, what I thought was that maybe when you are integrating this particular bot into your website, so you have the embed code and you paste it into your website, then the token will work just like a little bit like dynamic content for Elementor or something like that. But it doesn't work with the tokens of the internet or WordPress. So if you can see here, it only says first name, and it doesn't just embed the tokens. So this is a little bit yeah, they have to work on that, because that would be great. That when you are using the bots and when they see the website, that something changed. Just like unless. I've made tutorials about unless, and that was personalization, and you can do a lot with that, but in this case it doesn't work. They have to work on it, because it would be nice, it would be wonderful when that would be the case. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. And oh yeah, maybe I will make another tutorials about this tool. I don't know it yet, but just make sure that you're subscribed and keep on watching. Thanks a lot and see you later. Bye bye.